Ah, yes, tree diagrams. An organization decided to distribute gift bags of sweets to a grade R class at a certain school. There is a mystery gift in exactly a quarter, 1 over 4, 0.25 of the total number of bags. Now, each learner in the class may randomly select 2 gift bags of sweets, one after the other. The probability that a learner selects 2 bags of sweets with the mystery gift is 7 over 118. Now, calculate the number of gift bags of sweets with a mystery gift inside. So let us set up our tree diagram. So let's just plan it quickly. So we've got 2 possible options here. Just like a normal bag of sweets, and then we've got our mystery gift. You can call it anything you like, just clearly indicate it on the diagram. So look, you don't even need to show this planning or anything like that. Let's draw our tree diagram. Should we use green and brown because it's a tree? Should we? I think we should. So, sweets, normal sweets, there's our gift. So, there are gifts in a quarter of the bags. There are sweets in 3/4. But remember, these are just ratios that we are dealing with. So, let us indicate variables. So, 3x over 4x, and this would be 1x over 4x. We don't need to write 1x, we can just write over 4x. Okay, so these are our 2 possible options. And we select 2 bags of sweets. Now, this is very important. This idea of replacement. Don't worry, guys. I could never replace you. You are irreplaceable. How's that? How's that? Should I stop this YouTube thing, contact Rihanna, and get a backup job? Let me know in the comments. Please don't hurt my feelings. Otherwise, I'll stop uploading and then it's finished. It's finished for everybody. Okay, let's just continue, man. I'm having too much fun in these recordings. Okay, so is there replacement or not? So if there is replacement, right, we don't do anything. Our values stay exactly the same. Think about it, right? If there's 20 balls in a bag and then you pick 1 ball in your first choice and then you replace it, your second choice, there's still going to be 20. But what if there's no replacement? So first time, when there's 20 balls in a bag, you pick 1 ball from the 20, but for your second choice, there's only 19 left. And you would indicate that with a -1 in the numerator and a -1 in the denominator. Just depending on what you're dealing with here. But think about it logically. So they don't tell you explicitly here there is replacement or there's no replacement. I don't know, but do you hear that ice cream truck in the back? I don't know if my mic is picking it up, but it's going ding 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 ding. I'm in Cape Town right now, just visiting my girlfriend, and there's an ice cream truck that drives around this neighborhood. It's so inconsiderate, right? So inconsiderate. Nah, I'm joking. I love ice cream trucks. He says annoyed because he wants to do his tree diagram. So if you think about it logically, these are kids, right? After they pick one of these bags, are they going to replace it? Are they going to put it back? No, they're going to take it home. They get 2 bags. So there's no replacement. So we need to indicate our -1 in our numerator and denominator here. So again, sweets, and then, oh, sweets gift, yay. Gift, yay. Sweets are. But here we have gift. So we want this portion. And what it looks like is, again, x -1, 4x -1. Because there's no replacement, so we subtract 1. And with tree diagrams, you multiply along the branches. So these are your branches here. So we would multiply these 2 values and we would equate it to 7 over 118 and we would solve algebraically for x. So let's do that. So x over 4x, close your brackets, times the x -1 over 4x -1, close the bracket, equate it to 7 over 118. Simplify. So x over x, the x's would cancel each other out. That invisible 1, so we have 1 over 4 here, times, can't simplify that, we can't cancel over a plus and a minus, okay, just some grade 8 and 9 recap for you, over equals to 7 over 118. Okay, we want to isolate x as best we can, so let's divide both sides by a quarter. So on our right hand side is still just going to be x -1 over 4x -1. 7 over 118 divided by a quarter. So divide by a quarter, we can just change it to a times, flip the 2. So that's 7 times 4 is 28 over 118, the tip and times method. So 7 over 118, simply put, divided by a quarter is equal to 28 over 118. Okay, now we can cross multiply. So x minus 1 times 118. So 118 times x is 118x. 118 times negative 1 is minus 118. 28 times 4x is equal to 112x. 22 times negative 1 is negative 28. This positive 112x, we take it over to the left-hand side. It'll become negative. So 118 minus 112 is equal to 6x. This negative 118 we have on the left, we take it over to the right. It becomes a positive 118. Negative 28 plus 118 is equal to a positive 90. Therefore, x is equal to 15. And that is our final answer.